President Yoweri Museveni oberki kero melok kedwa chawari omatiano wo kele kanyi wan lo TV kibe down radio when Uganda and TV when kibe kakilene lok me be bedo ojone producer wano take a video ne mana capture in la wo panel lok pala dit lo ne ko nen kon report ne video ne mana kada fadui
killing of the children in Nyabugando is a desperate act, thinking that, oh, if we kill children, the UPDF will pull back from Congo to go and guard the villages. No, you do it, we kill you. The planner will die or will be captured and prosecuted, and so will the executor. I think this is also a disadvantage for the ADF, because we have been hunting them, and many of them have either been killed or they have run away. Ever since 2007, the ADF was defeated. These efforts of trying to infiltrate and plant bombs and assassinate some people were really miscalculations by the ADF, and we are going to finish them. The CMI and have arrested 7 people who were involved, and we know all this time the ones who are doing this. The planners, mainly the planners, we know them. Sometimes we don't know the executors, but eventually we come to know them. Now the planners are in Congo. So we are going for them. Therefore, I don't want anybody to start panicking and think that there is a big insoluble problem. Ugandans, as we are hunting these people in Congo, the authors, your job here is to see anybody you don't know and say, who are you? Police, come. Ugunoha. For the hotels and the lodges, take particulars of people who come there. Make sure they show you their ID cards with their pictures. Buses and markets, you need to search people who are coming. There's no shortcut for that. I think there is still some advantage for them to surrender now. Otherwise they will die. We shall kill them. And we have devastating capacity to destroy them from even long distance, even without getting near. My name was Kasum. I was Haji Kasum.
Peritual afo nano chel kidwano birka kate en chel kidwan la dir lawo birka lo Kom Ber Bedo Pierre Chakmada bomb blast news scare mo time weekend Friday last week wawaje ni la dir lawo miro bien kong o mi address kita juini wakdano ngene at least the security organs are aware.
Yeah, but Mono Bennett, right now it comes at a time where the government, the Electoral Commission, are releasing out the electoral roadmap. Now, when the electoral roadmap is out, political parties go to the drawing board, the countrywide tour and reawakening voters, Now, you've seen of recent Noop Guchako Mameke Kakenyo Enemy. The other time I saw DP somewhere. FDC has also been having, NRM has also been having. So where does this put us in this? Because much as watika mere politics, but at the same time, ben local security total. So I think Ubero very important for the president of the nation. Make it Kamiyeki Ugandans assurance. Yes. The fact that Wabero gain this terrorism threat, yeah, but the security organs will make a futika me Kidano me Uganda. But man bene, it has to send a signal to Ugandans. How many Ugandans are very careful about surroundings will make Emma? For instance, Ibero Kamone, let me say like a bar or a chair hotel, Narmo Bino Kerkavere, and you also just sit comfortably. Peke Penyoke Jan, Ngoma in Kerkaverne. So I think the neighborhood watch, and then of course my neighbor policy, and when has to be brought back. Mumir sensitizing Kidano.
Yes, la wo wa kan wani part ni security chaka ki bot in. Mi nen ngame ti locker ti penyi ngo ti warni nguti ngo. Ukar ki kwano dugo nyo po dugo. Jim weng wir in ken mapia security konyi.
Dano popo de. In kitika moni mengeni ngaramono bedi ngere. Iti mutaka bene pe moro bene pe merwa ngayo ngata no bedo nga. En gwag ngato do bu moch kiri en ngar mono bino weko ka vera ka ngeri pete ka nyang gira ngoma tika time. You're not even bothered because it amni it's none of my business. None of your business ne ko gene ene pe mako anni ene do bu tire. Donc consciousness pera ta dan weng miro wechi wangu betulo go nen menni gi moy ken magen gi timo ka kare ana miro wachi ema a chwa lo ka president na remo ke ken manyeo munye yeti mu gena li Uganda wati million pier de ko ber ka ke ndako kirgen mi achele ken ene pe duong ki wote ndako ge ke nen ni aranye ki kwanyo ento bena mero wachi president Museveni ni en kira chien wachi we shall kill them o kat ko dok tun kara moja te ngar mo ken makino ka yela chuli nyu dar makumalo unet ge bena ko dar ne ka kirte wachi tyen. That is the solution. No, watching anyone who is terrorizing the country, we shall kill them.
So are you saying those Karamojangs are terrorists equally?
Why? For the last 30 years, I am as old as myself, Tim. I tell when you need diang wake kwalo kitaro kotido, join take kwalo diang, or jong tika yela chuli. Is it not more of a terrorist group?
Yeah, it is.
These are bandits. Kichet kunu kinek kimera nega anawai kirika kinega miya beach. Wanna do in Uganda maraj. Jom kana wata chero.
You see, Emma, Gilmo Karamadano wiki perhaps do not know ni terrorism and ni teloketiningo. Terrorism uberula kuriti money ma. Well, creating fear in people, and they use various weapons. Either things like knives, it can even be hot water, as long as creating fear in you, and then so what party is trying to say ideally? For the last 30-40 years, yeah, to other parts, not only actually, even now. At some point in time, there was a time even Uncle, I think in the 80s, who complaining Karamojong no Gicharke raiding their cattle. Now, are they different from the terrorists we are talking about? Because one, they are raping our children. Last year was in Abim district, raping Lotiro, raping Mon, and then your Magitica were your channel Emma Intika do Mutorani, maybe you're an NGO or New Vision going to work. So I think as we're talking about the issues of terrorism, maybe President should have packaged this all together. Kilokpa ojong eroni.
Lokpa jong wa waje kan juini wa wer dong wa wer petit dul moy kan may tunko male may Uganda ma polo lokpa ma jong pa dan may tunko malo tiyo madwong ko beri.
Yeah, true.
Yes, we made another forum all together.
Yeah, tell me that is it.
Kara siya eno any mera la dirlo be ka lokum terrorism ma kwa ko dana weng may Uganda. Kari benetika agi tunko